Hello, and welcome to the Posh Wood YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about a practical and aesthetic solution that can significantly improve the acoustics within your space: acoustic wood panels. If you've been battling with outside noise or poor acoustics, these panels are an absolute game changer. Stay tuned to learn about what acoustic wood panels are, their benefits, and where they can best be installed. Let's first answer the question, what are acoustic wood panels? They're wooden boards designed to absorb sound waves, resulting in a more pleasant acoustic environment. They come in various sizes, textures, and colors, which means you can tailor the panels to meet your unique needs and preferences. And the best part? Their versatility. They can be used in various settings, from large open spaces to small enclosed rooms, providing the right level of sound absorption for your space. But how do these panels work? Acoustic wood panels reduce noise by absorbing and transforming sound waves into heat energy. Not only do they dampen sound waves, but they also enhance the overall aesthetic of a space. These panels can be installed directly onto walls or ceilings. And don't worry, installation is made easy with adhesive glue or mounting with screws. Now let's talk about the benefits. These panels not only improve sound quality by reducing echo and reverberation, but they also significantly enhance a space's aesthetics. They can reduce noise infiltration, making them ideal for any setting where privacy is a concern. Additionally, many acoustic wood panels are eco-friendly, made from sustainable or recycled materials, making them a choice that benefits both you and the planet. So where can you use these panels? The answer is almost anywhere. From home theaters, recording studios, office spaces, restaurants, cafes to educational institutions, acoustic wood panels can provide improved acoustics and a stylish finish that matches your space's aesthetics. There are various types of acoustic wood panels available, including perforated panels, groove panels, slotted panels, and even custom designs. The type you choose depends on your specific needs and style preferences. So if you're seeking to improve acoustics, reduce noise levels, and elevate aesthetics, installing acoustic wood panels is an excellent solution. With the right selection and installation, you can transform your space into a peaceful and welcoming environment. That's all for today's video. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of how acoustic wood panels can benefit your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit poshwood.com to pick the best panels for your space.